My name's Josephine Payne and I'm the plant manager of the engine plant here in Craiova. We've really found a number of different applications. I think that's one of the advantages of the collaborative robots and the universal robot is that it's quite a compact footprint, but it's got a long reach and a good payload. So it suits the applications that we've selected. And we really like them for the small footprint that they take up, the ease of implementation, and the fact that they can work alongside our people. It doesn't take a lot of my time in getting it implemented. The team seem very happy with, with the speed of implementation and the ease of implementation. So I think we've had a lot of support from Universal Robots itself as a company in getting those applications working.
Familiarizarea a fost destul de ușoară și practică. Din perspectiva mentenanței, nu am avut probleme deosebite, dar în cazul în care apar mici erori, știm exact sau este foarte ușor de repus în poziția de home. Instalarea a decurs în condiții foarte bune, a fost foarte ușor de realizat și de implementat, rapid și eficient, iar operatorii s-au familiarizat foarte repede cu acest tip de robot.
So we're at the start of our journey with collaborative robots, and we started and put one in, and that's gone very successfully. And now we're looking at more and more, and we're seeing the more we use them, more we learn about them, and the more applications that we start to see from them. So yes, I certainly think that in the future we'll be using more and more of them.